Alright, I'm flying in a 1969 Cessna 172. I'm a member of the Skyhawk Flying Club, and you'll see our little sticker on the back of our tail there. We have three airplanes in our club. We have a Beechcraft Bonanza V-35B, Aero, it's a PA-28 R201. So here's what I do to pre-flight this airplane. So I'm going to kick the master switch on first. Just basically kicks the power onto the plane. Then I'm going to drop the flaps down to full. And I'll look out here, I can see the flaps are dropping down. So I want to check the connectors down there. And then I'll look at the fuel. It looks like we've got full fuel in both tanks. I'll pull the beacon on. If I'm flying at night, I'll check out the landing lights and make sure that they're functioning properly, but we're going to be flying during the day today, so with that I'll turn that power off. All right, we're going to grab our fuel tester. We'll shut this door and we'll start our walk around. We're going to check our baggage compartment, make sure it's closed. We're going to look at rivets as we go around, and we're going to check the hinges. Make sure everything's connecting properly. We wouldn't want something to fall off mid-flight. Looks like we've got everything looks like it's in good shape up there. The rotating beacon. And looks like rivets are looking good here. We're going to check our rods up here. Looks like they're connected. Lift up on the ailerons. We'll check our connections here. They appear to be snug. Walk around. We'll look at the ends. Looks good. Alright. Everything looks good here. We're going to have a look at our brakes. It looks like we have plenty of pads. The tires appear to be inflated properly. I'm going to grab some fuel, and we're going to look for evidence of water in here. I highly doubt there's water in here today, but you'd see a layer of you'd see a strange layer at the top if we did have water. So looks like that tank is good. Okay, next we'll check the oil. Looks like wife has got into airplane, so that's good. And we're looking for 6 to 7 quarts. We have, looks like 7 right here. Oil looks clean. And when we get inside, we can look to see what the last oil change was. We're going to strain the fuel using the fuel strain drain for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just in case there's water in the fuel lines. That'll kind of clean that out. Check out our cowling, make sure there's nothing stuck in there. Nothing is in there that shouldn't be in there to prevent the airflow. We'll have a look at our prop. No unusual cracks in the propeller, and then the nose cone looks good. We're gonna look at our strut, our front strut. You'll see that it looks like it's up, and if it was out of nitrogen, it would be laying flat down on top of that. So I'm gonna test that, and all I do is I put my foot on this tire. I'll pull down a little bit. You'll see we have movement, so that's a good sign that things are working properly. Our battery cover is shut. Looks like we're missing a screw there. It doesn't look like it's going to prohibit our flight though. But we'll need to report that if it's not already done. I believe it already is. Brakes look good. Tires good. Front tire is good. And we'll check the fuel on this side. That's a drain hole underneath there. And you'll see there's a drain hole right there. And then good. Fuel drain. In case it gets hot, fuel prevents pressure from building up inside the tanks. Look at the rest of the wing here. Looks good. Check that. Snug. Check our connection here. Looks good. Final thing we're going to do is we're going to get up on top here and we're going to look inside and make sure that the fuel gauges are accurate and there's full fuel. So just looking at this, it looks like we do have full fuel on the left tank. And now I'll go around and check the right tank. We have full fuel. And my fuel tester is running away. Stop. Thank you. There we go. Gotcha. It's a little breezy out, so things are blowing around a little bit. All right. And we are ready to climb in. Hello.